Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle SSA disability appeals and complicated cases. So today, I will answer some tough questions about disability appeals and complicated cases related to Medicare and Social Security. Question number 1, the application asks me if I want the earliest months without reduction or with reduction. I am past full retirement age. What should I check? If you are past full retirement age, choose earliest months without reduction. But if unsure, ask SSA directly. Question number 2, SSA said they won't review my case after a disability update. Should I worry? That usually means you're okay for now. No review is scheduled, but keep any notice they send you. And question number 3, I'm in medical WDP program but also applying for SSDI. This seems to conflict. How do I stay eligible? These two programs don't always match up. To stay eligible, talk to SSA and medical or get help from a benefits advisor. Question number 4. I've been on over 20 medications and was denied before. Do I need to bring everything again? Yes. Bring records for all your past and current treatments. SSA needs the full picture to reconsider your case. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.